Welcome back to my video tutorial. I'll be showing you how we can install Trollstore 2 on any iOS 17 device, guys, in any iPhone model.
So the first thing you have to do is head over to your settings on your iPhone, scroll down here and select General. Here select Background App Refresh and then tap on Background App Refresh. Make sure that Wi-Fi and mobile data is enabled. Now all you need to do is sideload or install the IPA file, and all this requires is a configuration profile to work. If this gets revoked, means you cannot use it for a while. However, I don't see any issue with it being revoked unless you upgrade your firmware to some major iOS firmware release in the future. For now, it should be working flawlessly and it will not be randomly revoked. And that's kind of it. No PC needed, no jailbreak, nothing, guys. Works with iOS 17 and with iPhone 15 and everything. That's kind of it, guys. Kindly give a like and subscribe to the channel if this worked for you and you enjoyed this. Cheers.